which was taking x and y and calculating to calculate the GCD in a unary machine. Hello everyone, we are going to explain our project on the construction of a tuning machine that is finds the greatest common divisor of two numbers using the Euclidean algorithm. A tuning machine is a theoretical model that represents how any computer algorithm works step by step. Our task is to build a single tap tuning machine that takes two numbers x and y, which is unary form. That means each number is shown by sequence of ones and separated by a zero. For example, if x equal to 3 and y equal to y, the input on tape will be 11101111. The problem statement is construct a tuning machine that takes two numbers x and y in unary form, separate by zero, and computes the GCD. We use the Euclidean algorithm, which works on the principle of repeated subtraction. We keep subtracting the smaller number from the larger until both become equal. Now, my friend Vishnu will be continuing this.
Yeah, this is Vishnu. Hello everyone. Today, my topic is about to explain algorithm and logic explanation. Uh, the mathematical logic behind the Euclidean algorithm is GCD of x and y is equal to if x is equal to y, then it is x, and then if x greater than y, GCD of x minus y and y. If y greater than x, GCD of x comma y minus x. Now let's see how the tuning machine performs its logic on the tape. The machine starts scanning both numbers from left, and it removes one from each side repeatedly. That simulates subtraction. When one side becomes empty, the remaining ones represent the difference. Uh, when the machine shift that reminder next to the separator zero, starts the next subtraction round. This process repeats until both sides becomes equal, and when equality is reached, the machine enters state 11 and halting state. At that point, the number of ones remaining on the tape gives GCD, and by using Euclidean algorithm, we can solve the GCD problems through repeated subtraction until both numbers becomes equal. If uh, when the machine set the reminder next to separator zero and starts the next subtraction round, and then the process repeats until both sides becomes equal. Then example, let's took two examples from our chat. Example one, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Input is 11011111. Now step one, start reading Q naught, and then we have to remove one pairs, one on each side, and continue subtraction until smaller until smaller side empty QS. Uh, since the remainder beside separator, and then subtract again. Both are equal, enters Q11, final type is equal to 1, GCD of 3, comma 5 is 1. Thank you. My friend will continue. Chen will continue. Next.
Okay, now I will tell by using the example. Now we take let x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. By using Euclid algorithm, we do x minus y and the remainder and do again with same number. Like if you take x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5, the remainder and when you subtract, we get 2 as result, and we take now GCD of 3 and 2. Like that series of steps we take, and we can calculate by using GCD of Euclid algorithm. After finding of the series of steps, decreasing the bomb step by step means converting GCD 3 comma 5 to GCD 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 2 to 2 comma 1 1 comma, and after GCD 1 comma 0, then we get the results, and the answer is equal to 1 as greatest common divisor between x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5, same as like x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 6. By using the transition table, we calculate the GCD of two inputs in unary representation, and we get the result output in unary representation. Thank you.